Hello everyone, go to your Sun Bucks EBT card and ready to use it. We'll show you and tell you exactly how to activate it quickly and start shopping. So first you need to call the Sun Bucks customer service line. This is the official number to activate your card, so it's going to be 1-888-997-1117. When prompted, enter your 16-digit card number, your child's date of birth, and the zip code linked to your mailing address. Next, you'll be asked to set a secure 4-digit PIN. Avoid easy combos like 111 or 12345 or 1234 to keep your benefits safe. After you set your PIN, your Sun Bucks card is ready to use. As you can see, quite easy. Now you can shop at grocery stores, farmers markets, and online retailers like Amazon or Walmart. And that's it. You're now ready to use this card. Like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And thank you for watching.